जज्बा है जज्बा, सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा। मांझा मांझा मांझा, सोई तकदीरें जगा देंगे, कल को अंबर भी झुका देंगे। है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा। मांझा मांझा मांझा।
Okay, so all the patch are clear, first patch and second patch. Yeah, now let's move on the last paragraph of this choreography. Okay, so हम लोगों ने कदम किया था कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. So look at my hands. One more time I'm going to show you. My hands are going like this. Yeah, so it's going like 1, 2. Yeah. Next, you have to take a step. Where? In right side. Which leg? From your left leg. Step and drag your right leg. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. Step. Drag your right leg. Lift your left leg. Drop your left leg. Easy? Yeah, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, drop. Super. Let's do the hand steps. So hands are going like 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time I'm going to show you. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. So 2, your hands are coming like this, legs are like this. 3, 4. Let's do again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 1. So after this 3, you have to bend your body this like this, toes pointing. Yeah. 3, and now you open your right leg with your right hand. So it's going like 1, 2. Yeah. 5, 6, and go. 1, 2. So your left leg is crossing back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. Let's do again from this position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. So where my hands go, my right hand is rotation from down to up. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. Okay. Next step. Okay. Let's do one more time. 5, 6. Okay. Let's do from here. 5. So let's position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Next. 1, 2. Okay. Next step. So your right leg is behind on the toe. Left knee is bending. Yeah. And now right leg and right leg back. So what I am doing now, okay, I'll show you with the hands. 1, yeah, and 2. Again, 5, 6, will go 1. See, 1, 2. So same leg you have to keep in the side and then back. So which leg is this? This is the right leg. Right and right back. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Okay, try to balance. One more time. मेरा balance थोड़ा out हो रहा है. But I'll try my best one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Body back. And 2. Balance. After this, drop your right leg. Use your shoulder. 1 and 2. 3, 4. फिर से दिखा रहा हूं. So after this, right leg drop. Which shoulder is going? Right shoulder. 1, 2. To keep your left leg behind again. Use your both hand. And which leg is coming out? Left leg is coming out. Now you keep your right leg behind. And do 1. So same here, what we are doing? Left, right, left, right. Yeah. And the footwork. 5, 6, 7, go step and back. Step and back. Easy. Let's do again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Shoulder rotation, leg back, hands open, shoulder rotate, step your right leg back now, hands open. Now one more step, keep your right leg behind. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. फिर से दिखा रहा हूं. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, right leg, left leg, right leg. 5, 6, 7. So we are here. Now step right, bend down, bend your body. Left, come up. 3, right leg forward. Now left hand is straight, right hand is like this. Yeah. So it's going like 1, 2, 3. फिर से दिखा रहा हूं. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you one more time. 1, 2, 3. So I'm here. After this, 1 on the toe. 2, lift your body on the toe. 3, drop your body, bend your right knee. Now take a turn towards the left side. Okay, so it's going like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Very simple. फिर से दिखा रहा हूँ. My right leg is in the front. I'm turning my left side shoulder. See, my right leg is just on the same place. My left leg is moving. 1, 2. Yeah. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Before that, let's do the. Okay, let's do from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll. 1, roll. 1, 2, 3, turn. And now simple, open your left leg, move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So this is the last step of this choreography. Let's do revision all the steps from the beginning. Okay, come on. Just a second. Okay, ready? From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the actual speed on the music. Yeah. Let's try. Go on.
रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे। है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा। मांझा, मांझा, मांझा। सोई तकदीरें जगा देंगे, कल को अंबर भी झुका देंगे। है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा। मांझा, मांझा, मांझा। रिश्ते पंखों को हवा देंगे, रिश्ते दर्द